Alright, I can't get the GPSs to fit, so this one will be just off the cuff. I won't know what speed it is, but we'll take her for a run. See how it works. I'll have to try for a speed run at some other point. She runs. And there it is, 2S. All right, here she goes on 3S. Just a slight difference. Holy God. Wow. Dead stop. Go. Whoa. Come up, come up, come up, come up. There it is. Well, that's submerged. Well, there it is on 3S. Not supposed to go on 3S, but she sure as hell does. Here we go. It was submerged a few times. Let's see what happened for water. Here's the cover. I'll dump that out. So get the cover off and submerge that long. Dry as a bone. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And man, she is fast. Well, that'll be just got to figure out how to get a GPS on it.